Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into your energy to see what the heck you got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. Take what resonate, leave what does not. Toothpaste. I have this pimple here, and I just like I'm through. I don't want to pimp. I don't want to poke at it. Or I mean, I'm sorry. Yeah, poke at it. I don't want to squeeze it or anything like that. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna put some toothpaste on it. Let it go ahead and dry out, and let it do what it do. All right. Hopefully, you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful day. Had a wonderful weekend. It is Monday. Had a wonderful time off. Those of you that had a break. Let's go and get into it and see what the heck is going on with the collective. What's going on with the YouTube collective? Take it resonate, leave it does not. If it doesn't apply, go ahead and let that thing fly. Let's see what y'all got going on. What is anchoring this reading? Clear, accurate messages only, please, spirit. We have demon. What is going on here? So we have demon here. My hands look a little ashy. I'm seeing breadcrumbing. So it seems like somebody have a breadcrumbing demon on their hands. Is it this on you have it on your hands right now? You're dealing with one, or you just shooed? You're getting ready to get rid of one, or you gotten rid of one. I don't know. Place whatever way it need to be placed, but I'm definitely seeing a breadcrumbing energy that is coming off as demonic. Okay, I don't want my hands to be ashy. I wash my hands a lot, y'all, but I just can't do it. And I looked at it, I said, oh Lord, clarify this demon though. What happened? Clarify demon for the divine space, family, friends, and collective. Clear, accurate messages only. What's going on with demon? Please, spirit, clarify demon. One card. Clarify demon. Comfort. So this demonic energy is someone that breadcrumb you to keep you comfortable. This is someone that possibly, see, again, this is past, present, or future. You could have been dealing with this person, possibly getting ready to deal with this person, or possibly even gotten rid of this person, okay? But I'm definitely seeing an energy of growth, organic, like whoever this person is possibly was friendly or easy to get along with or something like that. But like I stated before, this demonic energy is an energy that likes to breadcrumb to keep you comfortable, that make you not want to leave or something like that. Well, clarify comfort. What's going on with comfort? What's going on with the Divine Space family, friends, and collective? Clarify this comfort energy for the YouTube collective. Comfort. Okay. Ooh. Yeah. At the bottom of the deck, this is definitely some sort of priest. This could be like, I'm gonna be completely honest, like a warlock or something like that. A dark spiritual masculine energy could definitely be significant here is what I'm showing here. This person that pushed you into the energy of self-love. That's how you know when it's very traumatic and it was a lesson that you need to learn, because this energy is someone that pushed you into an energy of loving on yourself, no longer searching for love outside of yourself. This could have been someone that you've been married to or possibly talked about getting married to. Even if it wasn't marriage, you guys could have been in a long-term commitment. Again, past, present, or future, or this is somebody that you will be meeting. Just to give you a heads up, look, when I say just to give you a heads up, this is definitely speaking of a peek behind the veil. Okay. So like I stated, this could be something that happened now or something that's getting ready to happen. I'm definitely seeing an energy of you being of high honor. I feel like this, you are like a mission that this person is seeking to accomplish, being that you are definitely of high honor. Is what I'm showing here. Okay. Um, number 3, 65 and 25 could be significant. So this, from you being in high honor spiritually, okay, or having some sort of spiritual ranking, you have this demon or demonic energy. It comes out as masculine. It could be a feminine or masculine energy that is breadcrumbing you. Okay, they just giving you just a little bit to keep you comfortable. Okay, so you don't go anywhere, or possibly giving you a little bit, give you a little bit of something to make you want to marry them or be with them long term, so they can possibly even trap you or something like that. Let's go ahead and get into it. Clarify this commitment. What do we need to know in regards to this commitment? One more for commitment. All right, so clarifying this commitment energy, the first thing that came out is you standing your ground, okay? Placing some sort of boundaries, especially when it comes to whoever this person is. They could have fire in the chart, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. Yeah, it's definitely it's talking about you placing some sort of boundaries or placing some sort of protection around yourself, especially when it comes to this person that's trying to portray themselves as some sort of wish fulfillment with this star card. This person is trying to portray themselves as someone that is spiritual, someone that is a healer or possibly healing. But again, this is an energy of someone that is breadcrumbing you. They're just giving you or showing you what you want to see or what you want to hear or doing the things that you want them to do to keep you around. Again, clarify this veil, the veil for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective. Clarify the veil. What's going on with the veil? Now, the first card that came out clarifying the veil is the Six of Cups. So it definitely lets me know that there is some sort of nostalgic energy here. Okay. The Six of Cups also speaks of children. You could possibly have children with this person. You came out as the Empress energy, mother. You could be the mother or matriarch or something like that. Whoever you are, you could possibly even be pregnant or get pregnant, you guys. Or, yeah, you possibly are pregnant now, or this person is planning on getting you pregnant or marrying you or something to keep you stuck. But again, this is an energy of nostalgic. Now, if this is not someone from your past, this is like someone from a past lifetime coming into this lifetime to court you. This person is definitely coming out as a page. Page of Cups energy, extending some sort of offer, but with this offer of love that they give you, it always come with something else, something fishy. Come with some sort of underlying motive or something like that, especially with this offer that they're giving you. Now, with this Page of Cups, it talks about you utilizing your intuition and just simply listening to your inner voice. Listen to your inner voice, especially when it comes to commitment with whoever this person is or committing to whoever this person is, because you do have this energy of fortune that's on you. The wheel is definitely turning in your favor. So whoever this person is possibly wants to swap with you or possibly just even just simply take your good luck, your good fortune, or something like that. Is what I'm showing here. It looks like this person is dealing with a lot of anxiety. I've been seeing a lot of mental activity and things like that, possibly even have problems going to sleep at night. Clarify this high honor energy. What is it that we need to know for high honor? Okay. Clarify how honest the Seven of Swords. Didn't I say whoever you are, it's like an energy of you having like high spiritual ranking. This person wants to betray you. In the end, it's talking about them betraying you, deceiving you, lying to you, cheating on you, taking from you. Okay. And it's like an energy of them utilizing love, extending some sort of love offer with this Ace of Cups. This is also like an energy of them robbing you out of an opportunity of true love, is what I'm showing here. And I'm seeing in the end, they will definitely receive karma for that. I'm seeing things ended up working in your favor. I feel like whoever this person is possibly being utilized by a demonic entity or demonic energy. And people don't realize like once you're being used and you commit the crime or did whatever you did, that demonic energy or entity jumps to another body and you're being left held accountable for the karmic injustice that you have, the karmic justice that, the karma. We have the Ace of Swords out here providing clarity and providing some sort of breakthrough, especially when it comes to someone's intentions. It's what I'm seeing here. Could you provide me, like I said, the first sign I seen was a fire sign. Leo, Aries, Sagittarius may very much be significant. I'm seeing this person is experiencing some sort of loss, or I'm seeing them going through some sort of loss, having to admit or experience some sort of defeat. This is an energy of them harboring over things that they have done that they can't take back. They've already done it. You get what I'm saying? I'm saying you choosing to be single, or in the end, I'm seeing you being in this single, independent, wealthy, stable situation, and this person being a regret, trying to extend some sort of offer to you, but it's already a missed opportunity. The deed has already been done. Anything else? Whoever this person is could very much be like a father figure or something like that. All right. Possibly some sort of older masculine energy or something. Yeah. That you had to let go of. Yeah. Yeah, you definitely had to let this person go. I'm seeing an energy of you gaining some sort of enlightenment and seeing things from a different perspective and just simply severing some ties with whoever this person is. And it comes as a tower moment. This person possibly never expected for you to let them go. This person thought that it was something solidified when it came to them, but I'm seeing it is definitely a wake up call. You've learned some sort of lesson. This is the energy of you coming out as the wounded warrior and you moving forward. You having some sort of victory. There's an energy of you having some sort of success. There's an energy of you moving forward. Yep, leaving this person in an energy of possibly going through financial issues or something like that. I feel like whoever this person is someone that is a hoarder or something like that. Possibly have poor budgeting or financial skills or something like that. That's what it looked like. Anything else? Yeah, this was self-sabotage. With the Five of Swords, this was definitely self-sabotage. This person thought that they was gonna get away with it. This was like self-imposed, you get what I'm saying? Self-sacrifice is what I'm showing here. Yeah, it's like they were gonna possibly utilize you as a come up or something like that. Manipulate you and utilize you as a come up with this Ace of Pentacles energy out here for some sort of new beginning. Like like I said, like a swap, like put you on their put them on your destiny or something like that, on your path. And that is not how that's going to go. There's definitely energy of you withdrawing your energy from this person, breakup, severance of ties. This is the energy of you abandoning this person, walking away, and you having the advantage. With the Six of Wands, there's the energy of you receiving some sort of fame, some sort of recognition, or something like that. But again, there's an energy of you moving forward. You're like the door is open for you to continue to move forward, and this person think they're going to like try to squeeze in behind you. It's almost like they're going to get stopped at the gate. They cannot go with you. This person is very impulsive, especially when it comes to the decisions and choices that they make. And I'm also showing that you have a whole lot of opportunities rushing in towards you as well. Opportunities, um, possibilities too. Yeah, I'm seeing a closing of a cycle and ending to a contract, whoever this person is. Like I said, you might have a child with this person. You don't necessarily have to. I don't know why it's showing a child here. I'm keep thinking about a child. I feel like whoever this person is possibly have been some sort of family member or something like that. If it's not in this lifetime, it might have been in a past lifetime or something. This could have been someone that you was married to, have children with. Or this is with this person, like I stated, this is something that this person is looking forward to, possibly marry you, have children. Like it's almost like an energy of them trying to trap you. But the way of them trying to get in is just simply breadcrumbing you, giving you a little bit of here, a little bit of there, things that they know that you want, so they can stay around, making it seem like it's some sort of, things are happening organically. This person is trying to portray themselves as like your divine feminine, your divine masculine energy is what I'm seeing here. Yeah, I'm definitely seeing, like I stated, there's a closing to the cycle, and I'm seeing you have angels all around you. This is like spiritual warfare. You got the Temperance angel out here, and you got the King of Swords, which is feeling like Archangel Michael is out here as well, because it looked like there's a spiritual battle, especially when it comes to this person, like in your energy. This person think they're not being seen, but they're actually being watched. This person think that they was like hidden, like it was a secret, like they're not being watched, like they could get away with it, but they were being watched the whole time. You're not getting away with nothing, nothing, anything. In the end, you win. In the end, you're separated. And even if they do try to come back, that's when you got them angels on your ass. That's what they call them, warring angels. Warring angels. You have a good one. Can't keep going back to what I used to know.